Zombie apocalypse.
10 majestic birds you wish you could hold in your hands. There are more than 10,000 bird species on Earth, from those that are large like an ostrich to those that are as tiny as a bee hummingbird. All feathered creatures are charming in their own way, but the special coloring, plumage, or spectacular mating rituals make some birds so unique you won't believe they're not made up. That's why we made a list of some of the most impressive bird species that roam over our lands and waters. Let's have a look. Number 1. The resplendent quetzal. Found in the tropical forests of Central America, the resplendent quetzal got this name because many see it as a truly magnificent bird. It tends to live alone and only pairs up when mating. During this period, male quetzals grow tail feathers that create a stunning train that can be up to 3 feet long. Number 2. The blue jay perched bird. The resplendent quetzal. Found in the tropical forests of Central America, the resplendent quetzal got this name because many see it as a truly magnificent bird. It tends to live alone and only pairs up when mating. During this period, male quetzals grow tail feathers that create a stunning train that can be up to 3 feet long. Number 3. The Andean emerald hummingbird. The Andean emerald is found in South America and is one of the more than 300 hummingbird species in the world. These birds enjoy a solitary life, but they gather with other hummingbirds at flowering trees, also known as feeding assemblies. Number 4. The golden pheasant. The golden pheasant, which is also known as the Chinese pheasant, is a unique bird found mostly in East Asia. These feathered creatures are very shy and often hide in dark places in the forests they live in. Number 5. The greater bird of paradise. The greater birds of paradise are the largest members of the family Paradisaea, who live in southwest New Guinea and the Aru Islands in Indonesia. They are usually polygynous, which means that one male mates with multiple female mates. Some birds of paradise have enormous head plumes or other distinctive ornaments, such as feathers that shimmer. Number 6. The Himalayan bluetail. The Himalayan bluetail, also called the orange-flanked bush robin, is a small bird that breeds in the Himalayas. It travels short distances and prefers to live in wet areas. Number 7. The African crane bird. These majestic gray-colored birds are monogamous and mate for life. The crane is quite famous in sub-Saharan Africa and even a sacred symbol for some countries. It is also the national symbol of Uganda and it featured on the country flag. Number 8. The Malachite kingfisher, the tiny bright metallic blue bird that is nicknamed river kingfisher, lives in sub-Saharan Africa. The Malachite kingfisher lives near ponds and enjoys flying quite fast over slow-moving waters. Its short wings become just a mere blur when they are in motion. Number 9. The Victoria crowned pigeon. The graceful bird, with its fancy lace-like crest, was named in remembrance of the great 19th-century British monarch Queen Victoria. This bird is very social and also has the special ability to produce milk for its little ones, known as crop milk. Number 10. The Atlantic puffin. These birds are also nicknamed sea parrots and they usually gather around the North Atlantic Ocean. Puffins are true flying masters, as they can flap their wings up to 400 times a minute and speed through the air at almost 55 miles an hour. They are also excellent swimmers and they can even dive down to around 197 feet underwater to look for their preferred fish. Ever captured any fascinating photos of the above birds or any of your favorites? If so, please share them with us. If you enjoyed our video, please do share with your friends and colleagues on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp.